and welcome to my channel. This is the first time on my channel. Welcome for the first time. If this is not your first time, welcome back. From the title of this video, we're going to be talking about random facts about perfumes. I'm going to be sharing 5 random facts about perfumes. You might know some, you might not know some, so you want to sit down and learn something, okay? So when you say something about perfumes, be like, oh my gosh, you know a lot about them. Like, I do. Let's get into the video. The first one on my list is perfumes are applied to pulse points because they radiate heat. Now, if you don't know what pulse points are, your wrist and the base of your neck, those are what we call or refer to as pulse points. Pulse points are where your blood vessels are closest to the skin surface. So with this, it helps to radiate more heat, so your perfumes can now, move from your skin to the air. The second fact on my list is applying a little bit of cream to your pulse points allows your perfume to last longer. Now, creams are occlusive and they help to hold the fragrance of your perfumes longer. If you don't want to apply moisture, you can either spray your perfumes right after you've had your bath, because at that point your skin is still very damp, so it can help hold the scent of your perfume for a longer time. The third fact on my list, rubbing your wrist together after spraying is a no. I see a whole lot of people do this. It's totally wrong, and I'll tell you why. Perfumes are a complex combination of top note, heart notes, and base notes. Now, the top note is the most delicate one, while the base note is the one that lasts much longer. So when you're rubbing your wrist together after spraying, you're distorting the balance between these notes, so it will not last as long as you want it to. So when you spray perfumes on your wrist, do not rub them together. Remember, that's a pulse point already, so it would definitely last longer, but rubbing it would just distort the whole notes that are in the perfume, and your perfume might not last long. Take note of that. Now, the next fact is your nose and brain get used to your own perfumes or your own scents. So sometimes when you spray them, you might not smell them after a few minutes, but other people will. I remember that this happened to me recently. I just finished spraying my perfume, like my go-to scent, and after a few minutes I couldn't smell it anymore, and I'm like, what? This thing lasts really long, so what's going on? Until I made my research and I found out that, oh, my brain and my nose are actually already used to this scent, so after some time it doesn't see it as something new again. It doesn't register it as something that's dangerous. When they see, okay, yeah, we know this scent, we know that she uses it every single time, they're like, no, it's not danger, we're safe, we're really safe here. So your nose and your brain gets used to your go-to scent. So if you're wondering why your go-to scent is not more scenting as it's supposed to be scenting, that was a chaos anyways. Just know that your nose and your brain are already used to it. That's why you might not smell them after spraying them. The last one is the same perfume can smell different on 2 people. Now, perfumes mix with your own body scents. They mix with your sweat, your unique scents, and all of that. So when they mix with it, it will produce something different. So if person A sprays a particular perfume and person B sprays that particular perfume, be rest assured that the scent that person A already has, or the sweat or whatever scent that they have already, would mix with the same perfume, the same thing with person B, and would produce a whole different scent. So when you smell it on the both of them, you're like, what? Yeah. This is something that I've actually seen happen. Like, it really happened. My mom uses some of my perfumes sometimes, and I'm like, why does it smell different on my mom? Like, this is the same perfume I'm using. It doesn't smell like the way it does on me. Then I realized that perfumes mix with her own scent and perfumes with my own scent, my sweat and all of that, and produce a whole different smell. That's the end of 5 random facts about perfumes. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If there's anything that you learned from this video, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I would really love to know if you learned anything from this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I would really appreciate it. It will help my channel grow. Okay, Also leave a comment. Let me chat with you all. Okay, I love replying to comments. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.